Time for Exact Notes. It's just Exact Notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Hello and welcome to How to Play Ode to Joy on the guitar in under 2 minutes. We've got a lot of work to do, so let's get started. Grab your power cord. We're gonna plug it into the bottom of the guitar. Boop. We're gonna grab the strap, throw it over the shoulder. Turn on your amp. Yeah, plug in the cord afterward. That makes a big bzzz sound, so do that first. And then take a look at the guitar. Here we've got 6 strings. E, low E, A, D, G, B, and high E. Furthest to the right, we're going to start with 0 right there. And then for Ode to Joy, we just need to use 3 fingers. 1, 2, or 3. And I'll let you in on a secret. We're not even going to use 2. So let's start at the beginning of line 1. 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0. Now onto the B string. 3, 1, 1, 3, 0, 0. And then back to the B string. And we've got a little extra time, so let's go to line 2. Starts on 0 again. 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0, B3, 1, 1, 3, 0, 3, 1, 1. And that's how to play Ode to Joy in under 2 minutes on the guitar. For more of the easiest way to get started learning an instrument, come check out my courses at exactnotes.com.